The Allure box for January 2025 has arrived. It looks interesting. It comes with a brochure with a lovely person on the front. The thing I like is inside the front cover, there is a phone number. Not that I want us to have any problems. Sometimes problems do erupt. It is nice to be able to call a phone number and talk to a real live person. So what came in the box? I want to know. Inquiring camels do want to know, you know. This is a Get Dreamy Toning Whip. You're supposed to wear this cream overnight on your body. I believe the name is pronounced Maelys. I may have butchered that. M-A-E-L-Y-S. And it sounded great and intriguing when I was reading about it. That is a full-size product. It has a value of $39, which for a 100 milliliter product, that's not bad. The thing that got me is that it contains a bit of lavender. Anne and lavender do not get along. No, we don't. It turns me 4 shades of green. So that one will be passed along. What is it supposed to do for us? Skin below the neck drinks up this whipped body cream, which is rich and hydrating, but never heavy. Has hydrating coconut and passion fruit oils and shea butter. A clean fragrance with hints of lavender. Oh well, that's why we try subscription boxes. Sometimes you get neat new things and sometimes it just doesn't work out. Yep, that product didn't work out for me. I will be passing it along. It is still unopened. It still has its safety seal in place. This is a product from Ahava. We like this brand. This is a clay mask with, I think it comes from the Dead Sea. Purifying mud mask sourced from the wondrous Dead Sea waters. This is another full-size item. It is 3.4 ounces with a retail of $39. Oh, that might show up on one of our Vettles. We have Vettles on this channel. Check out that playlist. So this says purifying mud mask, and it is supposed to, besides purify, do anything, cleanse, obviously, and moisturize. Cleanse and moisturize with this Ahava purifying mud mask. Cozy up inside on a cold night and make it better by a hydrating face mask. Now this says it's just about perfect. Well, we'll see about that. We have a sample size of a perfume by Juliet Has a Gun called Juliet. And there's enough gun violence in the world. Do we have to have a product named Gun in there? Then I realize that's another rant for another day, but that's just my 2 cents worth. This one, I don't think I'm gonna like too much. I'm not a big perfume person, but this box has helped Anne to expand her perfumery. My perfumery, that's a way to say it. Yeah, why not? So this is a sample size that we have received. Full size would be $150 for 100 milliliters. So what is it supposed to do for us? It is supposed to be sweet and mysterious with a warm cherry note spiced by pink pepper. I took a little sniff. I didn't spritz it. I just popped the top off and took a little sniff of it as a whole. To me, it smells old. Like old money old? Yeah. More like musty closet old. That's just my opinion. I'm not a big perfume person. So to some, this is probably the bee's knees, as they used to say. For me, this one I am going to set aside for a future gift or giveaway. It goes into the Find a Future Home box. In this half of the box, Anne says her favorite is the product from Ahava, the Dead Sea Clay Mask. I look forward to trying this one out. It's going to go into my lineup that is a little on the extensive side, yet I look forward to trying this one out. And it has a good safety seal, so I'm not too worried. And there is an expiration date on the bottom of it. It says 3/20/27. So we've got a little working room. What did you like? Let us know down below. Okay, what's next? Next up is a setting powder from Ciate, London. It's called Extraordinary. It's a translucent powder. That is what she looks like. I'm not a big setting powder person. However, I have found that the one that is scented in watermelon does not aggravate my allergies. Oh, that's nice. And I can sniff this through its safety seal, and I don't think this is going to bug my allergies either. So granted, I don't use setting powder that often, but it's nice to have an extra one that I know is going to work for me hanging around. And that was 0.52 ounces for $22. That was full size. The next two items are a shampoo and a conditioner. They are sample sizes and they each count as one sample item in the box. I wish they would have counted this together as a full-size item and we could have gotten another, but that's me being greedy over here. I think I got spoiled by all those advent calendars. I do appreciate the fact that this has a pop top, and I don't know if it shows on camera, but they taped them closed so it could not pop open during transit and make a, as the saying goes, mell of a hess. The full size would be $7.99 for 354 milliliters. We have had these before. I don't know if it was in this box or not. We have had this brand Monday before, and I tried it and I really liked it. This one is moisturizing. I'm trying to remember what the other one was, and I can't because it was quite a while ago. So I'm glad to get a good product that I know I'm going to like. The scent I recall as being very light, nothing over-perfumed, nothing overpowering. So I am pleased with this. Like I said, it would have been nice to have these count as one item, but the box says 3 full size, 3 sample size, so we got our sample sizes. Anne says her favorites from this half of the box are, well, everything in this half of the box. How about you? And does anyone remember where the Monday shampoo was way back when? We can't remember. All things considered, I thought this was a very nice box. It's $25 a month. If you sign up for annual subscription, you can get it for less, but you have to pay all up front. So depending upon what your budget allows, $25, this is a good value here. Like I said before, you're supposed to get 6 items, 3 samples, 3 full size. And so the shipping is free. You know, you really can't beat that these days. So very true. And it indicates on the back of their brochure, it looks like they're coming up on a 10-year anniversary. Celebrating 10 beautiful years, the Allure Beauty Box, we have curated the best in beauty for a decade, and we're just getting started. So, that's nice to know. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know all that kind of stuff. And hey, we almost forgot to tell you, we have a code in our description box down below. Oh yeah, if you're thinking of trying this Allure box, use our code. It will save you, I believe, $10. Hey, that's a good deal. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again in another video. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Maybe I said that already, I can't remember. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.